The CrossPro Sliders kit is made up of the components shown in the image. 4 plastic halves corresponding to the 2 sliders, 8 M5 by 20 screws and 8 M5 nuts. Installation is very simple. The first step is to identify the diameter of the crash bar, 22 or 25 millimeters. If the crash bar is 22 millimeters, we should use the black adapter included in the kit. If it is 25 millimeters, the adapter is not necessary. After confirming the diameter, simply assemble the sliders. Insert the nuts into the half with the raised marking, as shown in the image, and tighten the screws until both halves are firmly attached to the crash bar using a 4 mm Allen key.